A to Z
From east to west? Wow, you said my line too.
I did.
Hi, kids. My name is Hannah from the Dream Again world. I'm going to be joining Noah and Olivia in their world to teach you and to help you learn new things.
All sing and play. We all learn and teach.
We've invited 2 special guests. That's Miss Wigglesworth and Mikey.
Hannah?
Yeah?
Just because you got up late today doesn't mean you can't get organized and go to school. You know, education is important.
You can help them create an inventory. But wait, Mikey, what's an inventory?
An inventory is a complete list of items such as property, goods in stock, or the contents of a building.
Even smarter. Actually, let's see what they're doing.
Smart.
Did you
Then
hear
yep,
me?
ring.
Smart.
The president just called, and I'm smarter.
Oh no, kids. They're arguing who's smarter. That's not good. Well, kids, I will promise you, by the time we're going to start our new episodes, they will stop arguing and we'll have the lessons prepared for you. Okay? We look forward to seeing you in our Dream Again world, and thank you very much for your support. See you soon. Bye!